So let's talk about negotiating a debt. All right, so now you want to go ahead and be a good steward and take care of your debt, but you don't want to pay the full price. Now, keep in mind that when that original creditor purchases that debt, they only pay pennies on the dollar for that debt. So they are more than likely willing to negotiate with you on payment. So if you owe $5,000, do not give them $5,000. This is the art of negotiation, and this goes with anything that you are doing. When you are negotiating, there is an art to it. Always have a number in mind, the absolute max that you are willing to go. So say the debt is $5,000. I don't want to pay no more than $1,000 on this debt. If I could pay $1,000, that's your high, then that's where you end, but that's not where you start. Now, you want to pay $1,000, start off at $100. And they might say, if you don't go somewhere with that, then go $200 and $300. Their bottom might be $500. You just never know. But that's the art of negotiation. Never be concerned with offending anybody when you're talking about negotiating. You negotiate the best terms for you. So you always start lower and then you meet somewhere in the middle. So if your highest is $1,000, you start at very low. You start at 100, you start at 200, you start at 300. Then they feel like, okay, we've brought them up, but your top is really $1,000 anyway. So anything below 1,000, you win it. It's gravy. That's how you negotiate your debt. So you start low and you work your way up.